Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video I will show how to solve Facebook Lite story not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, scroll down, click on app list, scroll down, click on Lite, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on clear. Go to Play Store and search Facebook Lite. Update Facebook Lite. Hopefully Facebook Lite story not showing problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.